Kyocera ECOSYS MA3500 and MA4000 CIFX series. Toner replacement procedure. Please follow the on-screen instruction for the toner replacement procedure. When the message "Toner is low" is displayed, make sure you have a new toner available for replacement. Toner should only be replaced when completely empty. Please ensure that the document processor is closed before replacing the toner containers. Open the machine top cover by pulling on the release lever. Remove the empty toner container by pulling in an upward motion. Place the empty toner container in the waste bag, please recycle as per your company policy. And remove the new toner container from its box. Grasp the toner container at the top and flip it over, holding it upside down. Gently shake the container 5 to 6 times to loosen the toner inside. Turn the toner container back over again and insert into the machine, pushing down until both sides click into place. Close the machine top cover to continue.